Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about extrema. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do first the derivative of f with respect to x and first the derivative of f with respect to y. This one we have 3x squared. So I just applied about the power rule of the derivative. So we have like this. So we put number 3 going here. So we have 3s to the power of 3 minus 1, and that's about number 2. The next one, we need to do first the derivative of s in here. So we have number 1, and that's why we have 6y. This one and this one we don't have s, so you got number 0. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have y, so this one we have number 1, and we have negative 6s. This one we have 2y. This one that is about the constant. So after that we put this one and this one equals to number 0. So this one and this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one going here, and we have 2y equal to 6s. Later that we divide both sides by number 2, and we have 3s. So I will put this one to change in here. Next, we have 3s squared minus 18s equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. And we have s equals to number 0 and s equals to number 6. So we can find the value of y in here. So I will put number 6 going here, and y equals to number 18. So we have 2 boys. Now we need to find about determinant. So we need to find second derivative. That means we need to do first derivative of s with respect to s. So this one we have 2s, number 3 and number 2 we have number 6. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. This one similar, and fsy. That means we need to do first the derivative of s with respect to y, and we just have only negative number 6. Now we put this one going here, So we have like this. So if d greater than number 0, fss greater than number 0, so this is about relative minimum. If d greater than number 0, fss smaller than number 0, this is about relative maximum. And d smaller than number 0, this is about shadow point. So we can apply the formula in here. So for the first point, if we put number 0 cone here, this one d equals to negative 36, smaller than number 0. So this one that is about shadow point. So the next one, if we put number 6 cone here, so we have d equals to 36 greater than number 0, and fss we have 36 greater than number 0. So this one that is about relative minimum. This is the end. Thank you for watching.